Let's discuss domain and range. The domain is where the graph exists. Where the graph exists along the x-axis. So that means from left to right. The range is where the graph exists along the y-axis. That means up and down. So what we want to do, there is a wonderful website that we're going to go to. I'm going to show you how to get to it that helps you with domain and range. So I'm going to open up my Internet Explorer or my Google Chrome. I'm going to type in you can't see that. I have to move things where you can see. There you are. Okay, now I'm going to type in domain and range Khan Academy. This is what I'm looking for. And I'm going to hit enter. What comes up is all this. Go down and find domain and range from graph. Practice. You don't want the videos, you want the practice. And it says Khan Academy. That's what we're looking for, is Khan Academy. Okay, now this comes up. You have different videos that you can watch on this. Down here is the practice, so you can click on this if you want to see a video, but right down here is where we're wanting the practice. Now, the domain, where the graph exists from left to right along the x-axis. The domain, if you'll look, this goes down to -9 is the starting point. The ending point is at 9. So you come up here and you type in -9 and to 9. Okay, if we're looking for the range is the highest point of the graph and the lowest point of the graph. The highest point goes in the second spot because you go from the smallest number to the biggest number. The lowest point is going to be the negative numbers, and this is down here at -7, so we'll type in -7. Then we go over here, and the highest point is up at 6. And when you get that done, it comes up here and you do check, and you got it. So let's do 3 more. Next question. If you get lost, I think that I can't. You can watch a video or use a hint. That's what you can do right here. Let's go hint. And it tells you worked example, domain and range from graph. Still stuck, get a hint. Click on get a hint, use a hint. And it tells you the domain of the function is the set of all inputs and the range is all the outputs. That's the same thing as the x and the y. And get another hint. And here it shows you the domain is from the beginning to the end, left to right. And then you can get another hint and it shows you the range is from top to bottom. If you want even another hint, it actually goes on and tells you what the answer is. So this is how you can use your website. All of that goes on in there. Okay, so this is a great website that if you want to practice domain and range, remember, the only thing that you need to remember, these have a beginning point and an end point. If a function is infinite, it'll go, if it has arrows on it, that means it goes from infinity to infinity, negative infinity to positive infinity, and that's what you would use in that spot.